Right, what are we doing today, Sam?
Picking up your wheels.
Picking up my wheels. Wait, have we forgotten Charlie?
How can you forget him?
It wasn't me, it was you as well.
No, you were responsible.
No, it's joint responsibility.
That's on you, mate. That shit, that's on you.
Now we got Charlie, we can go.
Cool. What are we doing today then, George?
Picking up some new wheels.
What wheels are we picking up?
Got some Steelies for my MG. I've had to buy silver Steelies and then get them powder coated black.
What was the black they were selling them in anyway?
I think it was glass.
Oh, was it glass? Well,
yeah.
satin's going to be, I think, will be better look for the car anyway, so...
Don't try and turn this into a win.
Well, it is a win. You've always got to look on the bright side, haven't you?
They'll look good, but it's been a lot of hassle.
We haven't even tried to fit them yet.
And it's just the wheels, like, still need to get tyres on them and fit them. Why did I do this?
Why did you even buy a classic car? You should have just stick to walking.
Well, I thought you weren't busy enough, so you needed a hobby.
Thanks. Now, I needed a hobby. I have enough hobbies as it is. We'll have to check wheel fitment. And actually, if we're going to change the tyres, like from what you've existing got on the car, we'll have to look at how they're going to look, because I can't remember the width. Is the width the same from the current wheels you've got to the new ones, or are they wider?
I think they're the same width. Can you actually see out your rearview mirror? Is Charlie blocking it?
Charlie, it's really inconsiderate that you're sitting in the middle.
It's a bit. Do you mind just ducking down a bit, mate?
Just ducking down for more than one reason.
Everyone just looking into the car will just see a sextile. I mean, Charlie.
And it's not a sextile.
It's not a sextile because it has no holes.
It has no
It's
apparatus.
just a blow-up doll that's new. Like, if you'd asked me, I would have just brought my one. It's an import from Japan.
Sorry.
It'll cook your dinner as well. Pick up the wheels today, then leave them with this man.
Thanks.
He will get tyres on them for me. In a couple of weeks' time, the three of us are meeting up again because I've got new exhaust.
No, you say new. It's new to you.
It's new to me. New to me exhaust. I've got a new to me air filter casing. Yeah, I really need to replace my fan belt. That needs to happen quite soon. And I've also, for Christmas, I got a oil water temperature gauge. That needs to go on. One thing we've got to do before we all meet up is actually get my car running.
Yes, I knew you were going to say that. Yep.
Yeah. They're the things I need to fit. Oh, and my new wheels. So new wheels, new exhaust, new air filter casing, new fan belt, new temperature water gauge. That's it.
He's trying to hug both of us at the same time.
I think he just wants his crotch to be front and centre.
Yeah. All the gym's working out because he's really got those pecs going on. Although I think he's been dipping his nipples in like radioactive paint.
It's just so budget.
You know, I don't think Charlie minds being a sex doll, do you, Charlie?
No, it doesn't.
No, I heard that.
Yeah, he likes it.
How far away? 4 minutes. That's really precise. Go down here.
Yep, another person. Say hi to the sex doll, love. Yeah, no worries. Thanks. She loved it.
Yeah, she did.
Licking her lips at Charlie. What's she doing? Who cleans their car? The rain does that. Why would you clean your car? I think it's just up here.
Yeah.
Sick.
Let's go get your wheels.
Oh, they look sick. I only saw one.
For all you know, there's an empty box or like bricks in the other three.
So let's get the wheels. Alright, I'll take these two, you take those two.
I got a better suggestion. I'll get Charlie. Come here, you bitch. Hello, Charlie. This isn't weird at all.
Keeping these on. These are white walls. Jeez! I think they'll look sick.
Nah, they'll look good. They'll look awesome. Charlie, what's your opinion?
He's actually getting a little bit of a camel toe.
Yeah, a little bit. I got the goods. Do you want to say hi to Charlie? Oh, it's scared her. Yeah, he likes it like that.
Sex style out of my kitchen.
Charlie, mate, you're looking a bit,
Doesn't look himself. He looks deflated.
I did look to see if they did like a pineapple head style.
Ice gem.
Ice gem sex style, but they didn't.
all in, pretty good. Really happy with how the wheels have turned out. They look sick, I'd say. They're going to completely transform the car, which is really exciting. A1 Alloys, where I got it done. Really good job. Recommend.
Did you just say Altos?
I think I did. I went German. I think it is a Germanic word, isn't it?
What, auto?
Alto.
Anyway.
We'll get this on the car in a couple of weeks' time. Sam's going to get some tyres on it for me.
They're the right stud pattern, aren't they?
This is what I mean. They've left it to me to buy these.
Normally, if George buys something, it's oversized, the wrong car, the wrong year, and like made of cheese or something.
Well, hopefully I did these right. 4x4, stud pattern, 13-inch. I reckon it will go smooth as.
We'll do like a fitting video, won't we? So a fitting video will be to come. Yeah. Right.
Cool.
See you soon. No, that was shit. Like, my thumbs up. I'll see you soon. Like, it's not as if I'm meeting anyone, like the people that are watching, like in 2 minutes time. I don't know, yeah, no, I'm questioning why I done it. Do you hear it there? The air's coming out at the same time. Just go.
Pumping him flat.
Just get your head down there.
Damn.